Hi, welcome to the Kids Channel. I'm Sunny. We are on our way.
Hooray!
Happy landing. You're entering the reading zone. Let's get ready to read. There's no better time than the present. And now for today's story.
Hooray!
The farm animals that did not believe sheep. The sheep was known for telling stories that were not true, but this time sheep tried to tell Lamb, but he said no, ma'am. Lamb said, I don't believe you. Sheep went on her way to ask everyone if she could tell them a story, and if they believed her. Not now, said Cow. Sheep asked Goose, and she said, I have things to do, said Goose. Sheep went to the pen to tell Hen. Not again, said Hen. Sheep said, I know Goat will listen. Hold that note, said Goat. Sheep said, for sure, I can tell Pig. So she danced a little jig. Not my gig, said Pig. Sheep smiled and went on her way and said, Donkey, may I tell you? Ask the monkey, not me, said Donkey. Sheep thought to herself, monkeys don't live on farms. Soon Sheep was getting sleepy as the day wore on, but she saw Duck by the pond. You're out of luck, said Duck. Now Sheep was really tired that no one believed her, but Rabbit was in the field. Sheep said, Rabbit, will you listen to my story? Sheep, not my habit, said Rabbit, and he hopped away. Sheep was about to give up and fall asleep when she saw Horse eating some hay. She said, may I tell you a story today? But, of course, said Horse. Thank you for listening to my tale. You always listen very well, said Sheep. Now I can go to sleep, said Sheep. So she went to bed by the shed. The end. The farm animals that did not believe sheep was brought to you by the RLN Kids Channel. Farm animals that did not believe sheep is based on scripture. There's a friend that sticketh closer than a brother. According to Proverbs 18:24, King James Version. When no one else believes in you, most of all believe that you can, and you will. Believe in yourself. Say, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. Thank you for watching.